Alright guys, I've been having an issue with my truck. It sounds really weird and didn't want to post it online. It was raining earlier today, but Stuart keeps telling me I need to, so it's going out to the truck. See what we got. I got it unlocked. Kind of has a rattle to it. It's a little weird. Truck. Man, I love those steps. Alright, I'm going to crank it up. Let me know if you hear anything weird on the startup. It's got a bit of a knocking sound. Can't really tell if that's normal or not. See, it goes up. Whenever I rev it, you can hear it normally. So, I'm not really sure what to do at this point. So, if you guys have any ideas, just let me know. Let's get this old girl back on the road. She's a good looking truck. I really want it to run right. But I guess that's it. I will talk to you guys later and hopefully get this figured out.